Hey there, folks. I wanted to show you a quick video on how to set up the Tickblaze Indicator from MenthorQ. So after you've downloaded the indicator from the MenthorQ dashboard and you have Tickblaze open, you can go to Menu, Tools, Import Resource, and I'm going to browse to the indicator that I downloaded right here. Click Open, and then I'm going to click Import. There we go. So now it's been imported into Tickblaze. Now to add the indicator to the chart, I click on the Indicators button, and then I browse to the MenthorQ indicator, which should show up right here in the list. And then I click this down arrow to add it to the chart. The next step is to add your API key. So I'm going to go ahead and copy mine in here, expand the API, paste that in, click OK. Now if you notice, after you've added the indicator to the chart, it added a button up to the toolbar right here called Refresh Price Levels. If I click that button right now, you'll see that it started to plot some levels onto my chart from MenthorQ. Let me show you how to change the size of the labels because these are kind of small right now. So let's make these a little bit larger. So if I click on the indicator settings and I go to parameters, I can change the label formatting. I can change the font, the size, the alignment, all kinds of things. So if I click on the size, I'm gonna make this a little bit large, make it 20 so we can see. Click OK, click refresh one more time, and now we can see the labels are now larger for us to see. Now let's talk about the different level types. So say I want to turn blind spots on to show on the chart. If I go back up to the indicator settings, and I go here, and I go to the parameters, and I expand level types, now I can turn on different level types if I want to. So say I want to turn blind spots on, I change that to show, click OK, and click refresh one more time, and now I can see that blind spots are showing up on the chart. Now let's talk about customizing the individual levels, the colors, the style of the line, those sorts of things. So I click on the indicator settings one more time and go to parameters, and now we have a list of settings for each level. So every level has settings that can be changed for turning it on and off, the color, the style of the line, and then the thickness of the line, of course. So let's say we want to change the HVL 0 DTE to different color. Let's make it this purple here. Let's make it a dash line, make it a little bit thicker. Click OK. And click refresh one more time. So now we can see that those styles have been applied. This can be done for every level that's available from MenthorQ. Now let's talk about level conversions. So say I want to plot the SPX levels, for example, on top of my ES chart. If I go back to my indicator settings here, go to parameters, and I scroll all the way to the bottom, what you'll see is these level conversion options here. So say I want to expand this one, I'm going to turn on level conversion 1. Let's type in SPX. The ratio can be anything you want. I'll just leave it as 1. Click OK and click refresh. So now we can see that we've got SPX levels actually being plotted onto the chart as well. One last thing is that you can turn individual levels on and off as well. So say I want to turn certain levels off. Say I want to turn off the HVL 0 DTE level that we just customized. So if I go here and go to parameters, expand that, and say I want to turn that off. So say enabled no, click OK, refresh one more time, and now we can see that that level is not shown anymore. So hopefully that helps get you set up with using Tickblaze with MenthorQ.